The Northwest Territories Education Department says it's still working with education leaders to determine the impact of changes to Jordan's principle. Education Minister Caitlin Cleveland will raise those concerns in a meeting with Federal Indigenous Services Minister Patty Hajdu. Federal government announced it would no longer fund school-related requests unless they are linked to the specific health, social, or educational need of a First Nations child. Every year since 2021, Jordan's principal paid for more than 200 education assistants in the Northwest Territories. That's 2/3 of all the support assistants in the Northwest Territories. Northwest Territories Teachers Association President Rita Mueller says classroom assistants are essential. They give one-on-one class support to kids, and they deliver curriculum in multi-grade classrooms.
So we have a teacher responsible for 2, 3, sometimes 4 grade levels in one classroom. Those caring adults that are in schools focused on helping children, they're invaluable.
Mueller says Jordan's principal enabled schools to hire more of these support assistants, and any reduction will be felt in the schools.
I really certainly hope there will not be any drastic changes to how the federal government is funding these Jordan Principle applications in the Northwest Territories. We need that continued support. Our children deserve those services.
Jordan's principle stems from a 2007 Canadian Human Rights Tribunal complaint. It focuses on the death of 5-year-old Jordan River Anderson, a boy with multiple disabilities. The ruling established a child-first principle to ensure timely access to care, education, and health care support. That means the government of first contact pays for the immediate needs of a First Nations child, and then governments can later decide who should pay. A spokesperson for Indigenous Services Canada said since January, the government has nearly doubled the percentage of requests it denies. Overall, there are 16 pending requests for additional educational assistance in the Northwest Territories, 4 in the Yukon, and none in Nunavut. Avery Zingle, CBC News, Yellowknife.